Good day, English learners. Welcome to today's English listening practice lecture brought to you by the CSS Journey. In today's lecture, we have made a podcast like conversation between two people named Alex and Zarah. You just have to listen to this podcast and understand what they are talking about. Hey everyone, I'm Zara, your host for this session, and I'm thrilled to be here with my friend and co host, Alex. Hey everyone, we are excited to guide you through this immersive English listening experience on the topic of unplugging in the digital age. In a world dominated by screens and notifications, finding moments to disconnect and recharge is crucial for our well being. Let's begin by addressing why unplugging matters. In our digital age, constant connectivity can lead to stress, burnout, and a sense of being overwhelmed. That's right, unplugging offers us a chance to step away from the digital noise and reconnect with ourselves and the real world. Now, let's explore some practical strategies for effective unplugging. One powerful approach is setting digital boundaries. By allocating scientific times for checking emails and social media, you regain control over your online interactions. And creating tech free zones such as your bedroom can greatly improve your sleep quality and overall well being. Indeed, overcoming the fear of missing out, FOMO is another challenge. To tackle this, prioritize in person interactions and activities that truly enrich your life. For those who rely on technology for work, finding balance might seem challenging. However, setting intentions and clear goals for tech use can help strike that equilibrium. Absolutely. Incorporating mini digital detox throughout the day can also help you remain focused and Let's centered. Dive into some real life experiences with unplugging. Sarah, can you share a memorable instance? Certainly, I went on a weekend retreat without Wi Fi or screens. Immersing myself in nature and genuine conversations left me feeling refreshed and connected. That's inspiring. For me, a week long camping trip without devices allowed me to truly disconnect, engage with the present, and find inner peace. As we wrap up, remember that unplugging isn't about completely disconnecting forever. It's about finding balance and regaining control over your digital interactions. Absolutely. Take time to set digital boundaries, create tech free zones, and engage in mindful activities that nurture your well being. Thank you all for joining us on this English listening practice journey. We hope you have gained valuable insights into the art of unplugging in the digital age. Stay tuned for more engaging topics and practice sessions. Until next time, let's all strive to unplug, reconnect, and live more